Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Priyanka and I help you unleash the power of law of attraction and create the life that you want. So, a lot of you have been asking me this question that I always say that law of attraction says that like attracts like, right? So whatever you give out, whatever feelings you give out is something that you're always going to get back. But that doesn't always happen, right? We give out love, but we don't get back love in the same way that we are giving out. That's correct, right? So why does that happen then? Even if you're giving out love, why do you sometimes not get the same amount of love? Why do you get betrayal or hatred or any kinds of negative emotions back? Now, in order to explain this, let me give you a quick example. Say for instance, when we are walking on the road, right? We carry our bags, right? We have our wallets with us, we have our phones with us. Some of us wear rings or expensive jewelries or whatever it is, right? We have certain valuable things with us, right? And we are walking on the road. Now on the road, there are various kinds of people. There would be people who are good. There are people who are not so good. There would be people who have the habit of, lifting up things like thieves that we call. There are every kinds of people who are walking on the road. There are kinds of people who are positive, who are negative, who has the same kind of vibes like you, who is, who is happy-go-lucky, and there are some people who are depressed. So there are basically, the road is full of every different kinds of people, and they all are walking past you. Some of them are coming towards you, and what do? In order to protect yourself, you keep your valuables with you, right? You're conscious. You are conscious about the way you're walking when you're walking on the road, but do you stop going out completely and wait for a day to come when there won't be any single person on the road? That day you're going to walk thinking that's one day will come when there will be no people on the road, and I would be walking that day very happily, very safely and stuff like that. No, it doesn't happen, right? We, despite of knowing that there are various kinds of people on the road, we still keep walking, we still keep going to offices, we still go out to meet our friends, hang out. But what we do is, we are a little conscious of our belongings. We are conscious of ourselves. We keep ourselves safe. Now, it is the same thing. Let me tell you something about love. In this world, every single person wants love. And it's the biggest truth of life. We all want to be loved. But there are some people who just don't know how to reciprocate that love back to you. When I say that if you give out love, love is going to come back to you, what I mean is you are going to attract people in your life who is willing to give you love. But also at the same time, you would be attracting people who would want to be loved, but they just don't know how to give you that love back because they themselves are struggling, right? As I always say, what you are feeling inside is what you give outside. So it's like, imagine opposites attracting, right? You are walking down a road and you see this nice shop, okay? You see this nice shop and you see a very beautiful dress there and you feel like buying it. But say for instance, you do not have the amount of money that you need to go and buy it. But you're so intrigued by that dress, you love that dress so much that you anyways go inside the shop, you try on that dress, you probably take a couple of pictures of yourself, and then you feel, I can't afford it today, maybe I'll come back later, and you leave the dress there. It's the same thing. When people come into your life, some people will come in that, the greed of that love that you're offering. So they will take that love and consciously or unconsciously, they just don't know how to reciprocate that love to you. And they are going to make you feel drained and make you give these feelings that I'm giving out love, but I'm not getting love in return. But it's actually that they are not at that zone or at that level with you. It's about the fact that if you want something in life, you will have all kinds of options and choices to choose from. Now, what you choose is what you settle for. That is where, when I always say, keep realizing your worth. The day you realize your own worth, you will know that these kinds of people are always going to be there. but you would just know how to set the boundaries around you. You would know where to stop giving them that kind of attention, that kind of love, so that they don't cross that boundary and come and drain you out of your energies. That is what we call, energy vampires. There is a term called energy vampires. These are people who suck the energy out of you, but they don't give it back to you for you to be fulfilled. And that's why most of the time in toxic relationships, in relationships right like that, when it is one-sided, or when you're going on doing something for others and you don't get it back in return, because you just are giving or pouring water in the wrong place. I'm not saying it doesn't have the potential to manifest. If you really want that thing in life, you would have to keep investing. You would have to believe, you have to let go, you have to do everything that is there to manifest. But how much time it is going to take in order to get that part of your wish manifested would depend upon the other person, right? Because that person has to rise to your level. Only thing you can do is you can let it go and hope and wait for it to happen, right? While continuing with your life. While the other person has to rise up to your level in order to give you that same kind of love, return, which you deserve. While on the other hand, if you learn to draw your boundaries and you do not give out your vibration, your energy completely to something, and you know where to stop, because there are always warning signs, but often we ignore them in the name of love, right? There are always signs which tells you that something is right or something is wrong. But most of the time, and I have done this in my life, there were always warning signs when these kind of people were around me, but I ignored them thinking I am in love and these things happen, blah, blah, blah. But it's not true. Trust me, it's not true. Because when you give love, you deserve the same amount of love back in your life. And that is where you draw your boundaries. That is where you put your foot down and say, this is acceptable and this is not acceptable. That is why I always keep telling you, be extremely clear about what you want. Everything what you want. And then see who are the person who walks into your life who matches that image or that vibration, that energy that you have created. Let people rise up to your level and come and stay with you. Don't go down. If you're increasing your vibration, if you're increasing yourself, if you're working on yourself, you deserve someone who's at par with you. Don't put yourself down to match someone's level. Let the other person rise up to your level. So when you learn to draw that boundary, you will see all these kind of people, they are going to keep coming to you. It's not that they will stop coming, let me tell you, because the world is full of every kind of people, and every kind of people will walk into your life. But this self-confidence, the faith in yourself, the belief system in yourself and the universe will help you draw that boundary, draw that line, and help you let go of those people, so that the right people, when they come into your life, you know it and they vibe with you at the same level. So guys, I hope this video was helpful, and I hope now you understand that why it is always that when you give out love, you may not always get love in return, and what to do in those situations, right? I hope this video is helpful to you. Please, if you like this video, do comment below, like this video, share it with every single person, share it on your all social media channels. Like the video, comment below if you have ever realized or felt this way, and if you ever felt drained out in a relationship. And please do subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that every time I make a video you get a notification. Thank you so much. Bye bye. I will see you all soon.